So he was explaining to me that 4 by 120 from the pole. So each meter layout in there, everything is okay. Is the neutral that my biggest concern. You have to make sure the neutral is firmly tight. And I lose contact, no lose contact. It is if a day will come out, you have to put off the power just to cross check the neutral side. I don't have any. Okay, now from here, this is for the genset move on.
Sure.
Okay, can you open this one? How is the ATS fed? Yeah,
This one.
oh yeah, I understand. This here is your contact added. When you get if you want breakers and in terms of contactors, the best is chins. Chins is your control. So let's check this one.
Each house has its own breaker.
Okay,
So the idea is if someone flows with pace, each of them members
so this one goes to the feed side of the ATS. So that the two. So like I said, the concern here has to do with the neutral. Make sure that the neutral is properly
but what we need for the initial work which we are about to do, we create a barbecue.
Yes.
Then we loop it from this one to this one. Then we loop it to this one. Then it goes to
Okay. So now let's do it this way. This is the meter. So this one should not be looped to this one.
what in fact what my boss said was he was going to loop this generator into this one when it goes outside. This one to this one.
Yes. Let the hydros have one end, and then let the mechanical the generator also have one end. Don't mix it. Because the day there's leakage, it means that the control is not. So please do those things as soon as possible.